qualities to animals or objects.
Example.
My car drank the gasoline in one go. The cat knocked the newspaper I got glared at me.
Okay, personification, it is the things that giving a action like a human being. For example, the wind is kissing me. The wind is whispering me. Right? Okay. Are we clear?
Yes.
For the fourth one, is simile. Just read.
A comparison between two alike things using like as or than in the comparison. Example, you run like a cat, slightly and quietly. Her blue mood passed as swiftly as the afternoon rain shower.
Okay, simile has a similarities with metaphor. It also uses a like, as, and than. Serve as the comparison to unlike things. For the fifth one is imagery. Please read everyone.
It's when a writer invokes the five senses. Examples, the smell reminded me of a rotten tomato.
We have the five types of imagery. First, the olfactory imagery. Please read.
Olfactory imagery. The air
Smells salty, reminding me that the dish is nearby.
Okay, for the second one.
Gustatory imagery. The warm
No, not tasted sweet with hints of vanilla
and
and
strawberry.
tactile.
Tactile imagery. The baby's hair is soft and downy. Kinesthetic imagery. The tennis player slapped the ball with a quick blow of his racket, sending it flying over the net.
Okay, thank you. Olfactory imagery is about the sense of smell. Like the example given, while the gustatory imagery is the sense of taste. While the tactile imagery is the sense of touch. And the last one, kinesthetic imagery, it is a sense of action that is giving an effort and psychomotor. Are we clear? Yes. For the further discussion, let's have more examples of metaphor. Please read for me.
is a shining light in a dark room. Compare versus the source of light.
Force of light is comparing to something of the character of the person. While the second one is life is like a roller coaster. It's referring to life as a roller coaster ride. For the third example, the city is a jungle. It is a comparing a city to a jungle. For the onomatopoeia, personification is giving the sun human like the sun smile down on us. And the second one, the wind whispered secrets in my ear, is giving the human light on